to every Arsenal folk, every Ghana, Nanaya Ojima, Delalia Tiase. I'm talking about those I used to talk about consistently about Arsenal. Nano Peo, my friend, in the last 2 or 3 years when we used to talk, I'll mention Austin Wood, the Dean, when we used to talk about Arsenal before. I would mention Minia, Coach Abdul Pomasi, Dean. I mean, all the Arsenal fans, of course, every other person will support Arsenal, Rich.
Minister of Communications, and those also Arsenal, right?
I don't have a personal connection. I can't really tell how they are feeling. Yeah, say also, even the General Secretary of the NPP, what's his name? Justin Frimpong Kodia Esquire also showed that he was Sames Munina, Bright Kankambo, all of these big human beings that are fans of Arsenal. Congratulations to Munina. But and also more so Rich, the team in Arsenal fans those that consistently not be mobile year after year, worrying if Arsenal were ever going to win a title. Congratulations to Munina, Rich. Is he saying only bad and for an hour year and now you're football fan, they don't quite understand. Sometimes I wonder how journalists, sports analysts, sports journalists, are very passionate about football. No? How the women deal with us, whether we nearby or mommy, they don't understand. Now, even the Arsenal fan or Arsenal Assem, where the Arsenal reach this generation, this is the rebirth of Arsenal as a club. 22 years. It means that, and then Obi already 30 years. No, the last time Arsenal J Trophy or J English Premier League, no, the 80 years. Many sure saying anywhere. Obi and then what the 40 years. Satan what the 18 years. So it's a new generation of Arsenal fans. Gen Z follow me Arsenal fan. That's the very first time. What it means to win the English Premier League as an Arsenal fan. So a big time. And Rich, so should maybe Arsenal feedback as a club, the kind of things they've gone through, and it encompasses post Arsene Wenger. Baby and Arsene Wenger, Eddie Omonam as a club now they were getting success. Then post Wenger, things have not gone on well for them. From Unai Emery up until Mikel Arteta. I think that the story has to be told. Rich, now. With the Arsenal story, it's the fact that Yaya Patomi doesn't get that medal, and he was the part of the building blocks himself. Granit Xhaka, Zinchenko, all of these players that started with Arsenal, and then they are not there. For Xhaka, I know they were going to be excited for them. Partey would have loved to win the Arsenal for the English Premier League trophy, but then it has not happened like that for him. Ushobi to say Kai Havertz. Kai Havertz came from Leverkusen to Chelsea in hopes that Chelsea in a bit man is success. No, Chelsea man the Champions League, but they couldn't give him the English Premier League. Mikel Arteta and any Arsenal have given that to him. The boys like Bukayo Saka, Max Dowman, Miles Lewis Kelly, the boys that were from the Arsenal colony training ground and from the Arsenal Academy, in hope that they were going to see their club win it. No, they didn't just see their club win it. Omwankasa have won it for their club, and when I'm not sure say who the videos of Ebrechi Eze, Bukayo Saka, when they said that 22 years, people laughed at us and called us the butlers. And that is the state of Arsenal. A club that was described a joke. They've gone through the mill, changed things, rechanged, and that is where they are. Which Arsenal for one, they have to celebrate. I've said it several times. You're a football fan, that's how you trophy. No matter how small the trophy is. My opponent club be and now opponents be me can't show say what you do now. No, celebrate as much as
22 years.
Yes, it's a long time.
Even when it was glaring.
Yes,
it's Arsenal League. Yes. Still crying now for that.
It's a long time coming for Arsenal Football Club. Mikel Arteta and Manfred and they began. Eric, sometimes it takes. I think in the state of Arsenal, it took 2 men, but again, that manner on Mikel Arteta starts here the sleepless nights now. He changed and moved to Nottingham Forest. Maybe not up a bigger challenge, but maybe for money, maybe for whatever the case was. But Edu is not there. Edu Noni Mikel Arteta started some more building the Arsenal team. And then they put all the pieces together. Had a solid Arsenal team that should have been able to win the league even 2 years ago, even a year ago, even 3 years ago. They have been waiting. Back close, no more Lucio, back close, no more the second. Hoping that the night could come. And now, it was delivered to them. Narrating him, there is an interesting story of how Arsenal won the league and now. So, one time, I think about a couple of months ago, Now me share my obiani say me pay a lot of documentaries. I hardly watch movies. Now me share pay documentaries. So in one of those Premier League documentaries on football, they did a documentary on Spanish coaches are English Premier League. But coincidentally, na that time no, nyina ye coaches are free the Andalusia region, the Basque region. So there was Mikel Arteta in there, there was Andoni Iraola in there was Julian Lopetegui in there, and there was Abrantia or Aston Villa, Unai Emery. As 4 coaches that are Spanish background, but also have a Basque origin. Now, omu profile coaches no. Andoni at the time used to speak highly of Mikel Arteta. Say when they saw what Arteta could do, even as assistant managers, they were excited. And the boys from that area, Sociedad, Athletic Club, it's about dominating football, not just in Spain, not just in Basque, but also all over Europe. And on a night where Arsenal won the league, Mikel Arteta lead winning league, it was a Basque manager that stopped Josep Guardiola. It was Andoni Iraola in the dugout for Bournemouth, and was stopping Josep Guardiola from trying to take it to the last day of the season for Mikel Arteta and in the side. So it tells you sometimes how things connect. After a game, Andoni Iraola said, "Onim say ne eye den Arsenal beji." Onim say even if it was the last day Arsenal beji, he didn't play any part, of course, trying to be modest. But then again, congratulations to Mikel. Which maybe it's time also for people to learn. Yeah, Mikel has gone through the mill and the fire. When he was in Neubiankai, you remember when Mikel came, the first season or the 8th, and even Arsenal fans said so. And I always recount the story of Meneme Boss Delali Atiase. And sometimes it's normal because all your fan not a resource name, but you get frustrated. And Arsenal fans have gone through all of those moments back to back. At the point where places second. To the extent that Arsenal fans say, nah, Mikel Arteta is a nearly man on coach Papambra. But Rich, Ejuma Bakwa, Mikel Arteta aye or Arsenal, for me it goes underrated. I think one of the things I've learned from Mikel Arteta in the team is one. If a club is going through very tough moments, you need a very charismatic manager. Rich, before the taxes, before every other thing, your aura, your personality, the things you stand for, it is so important in clubs like Arsenal if you want to turn things around. Mikai, the very first time that he did the Believe video for Arsenal after the end of the first season, telling Arsenal fans that it's just a matter of time, things are going to be well for them. And they started to build from there. Which Mikel has been charismatic, has been bold, has been confident. To the extent that Kokushia media, they sort of belittled him. They sort of talked down Arsenal. But it is the belief. And sometimes, as a team, as a fan base, as a club, we hear that from a coach. We hear that from the one man that is there. Again, the backroom staff of Mikel Arteta has been superb. Look at the role of Nicolas Jove as a set-piece coach. The record that they've set in terms of number of goals they scored from set plays and defended from set plays. It got to a time where, the likes of Carlos Cuesta were all there. Now Carlos Cuesta is with Parma. He's not part of Mikel Arteta's backroom staff. But then, as the youngest assistant coach in Europe and in the top 5 leagues of Europe, Cuesta was so important for them until he left to become the coach of Parma or Italian Serie A. So, all of these things Mikel Arteta and any team have been able to do in building a team. One of the traits of Mikel Arteta, Rich, I thought it'd be a Yenka Wasembebre, has also been the squad building ability of Mikel Arteta. And I always go back. Abraham Mikel Arteta built this Arsenal squad, certain decisions were always questioned. But so watch Arsenal team now, Rich, it has not been only about ability of the players. It has not just been about, player we bet me a bobo, no, player wins me bobo, no, player we a good winger, but also attitude and making sure he sets the culture of Arsenal Football Club in making sure that things go on well for them. For me, the culture was very important. Ura club be saying to say Arsenal, the first thing you have to do is to change your mentality, change your culture. And then a club, stand for. How will the club begin? How will players begin to believe and then accept it's important for them to change how they think from just competitors to winners and to a team a very, very good story in terms of how they want to go in and get things done. And it started from changing the culture. One of the things that happened along the way was the story of Abrantia, your friend Granit Xhaka. So maybe Arsenal fans no boo Granit Xhaka off the pitch. And boo Granit Xhaka so free park so Granit Xhaka AP no. And ye the captain's armband on the ball form. After that, Arsenal for no straight pay a Brent friend Granit Xhaka of the captaincy. I don't know if you remember.
Yeah,
and those are the things that you use to set the standards for a club for them to win. Finding that the fans are very important for them and then always going there. Which under Mikel Arteta, we're turning Arsenal into a fortress. The story of the North London Forever anthem and the Arsenal football match, and now they sing it like the way the Liverpoolians sing the "You Never Walk Alone." It wasn't something that they used to do as much or even with that pride. When Mikel Arteta came in, he had told the team, say, any of my fans, say, they should sing it, they should play it before games start every time. Because it gives them that atmosphere of belief and togetherness. Anyone they say, sometimes it's the little things. Sometimes the Newman Kitting even the fan doesn't see. Newman Kitting even the various players don't see. And for 3 consecutive seasons, the team has so far. Mikel Arteta inherited a very much broken squad. The squad was broken from head to toe. He literally turned it, flipped it, and then got a team. It is willing to go onto the market and compete with everybody. And then there are only a few clubs. And I'll catch any Sony Arsenal match or Omoda. Not just in England, but when you go everywhere in Europe, France, Paris Saint-Germain, World UEFA Champions League final. Arsenal and Kuwait, they are jichi. Last season, Oshe Madrid home and away in the Champions League, won a 3-0 with the Santiago Bernabeu. It's the confidence, it's the aura, it's the fact that the team has come there. And I think that when teams get that, for me, my job is to tell that story, regardless of your opponent and also what a different club. Tell it as nice as you can tell, and then let the fans enjoy it. For every Arsenal fan, Rich, they should not stop. They should not stop. Mm-hmm. And I don't think that today should be dedicated to any other thing than Arsenal.
Arsenal.
Okay. Say Thomas Day Party, and Timiamba, and can list. Oh. And then he bought the list of. I mean, sometimes, maybe it's not meant to happen, but sometimes life also happens, Rich. Oh, baby, but. If you ask Nangasa one in your maybe say no any maybe wuni pan won't yasi, but that is the story of Thomas Day Party and the Arsenal team. Rich, I don't know, but when I'm so confused. I
mean, my question be person pusa. Don't mean you say celebrity Arsenal idea, but and so we game now Bournemouth in Man City no. Yeah. There's this school of thought that Amufu said the news of Pep Guardiola no. Mm-hmm. To some extent affected the players on the field of play.
Which
and to me, I think me tilted to almost no more can.
Okay.
Because Uza Seven, as an Pep management netting commander, as in the owners of the club. Yeah. Season but yen keeping us a secret.
Yeah.
Because season we are 2 matches.
Yeah.
Some can Adiano carbon this year. Players, you know, say, I mean, because I didn't catch them, I'll stay. And it's a players need to say, I'm going, but I say, on a foot of play, now, Jenny Baby play. And I think, it played out.
Rich, whether is he, for me, anybody that says that, or any mommy, you know, and I don't know if that's what you are doing, but whether it happened last night and I say over the weekend, Arsenal were going to win the league.
Sure.
Again, one shiny year. You underrate the performance of Bournemouth. Rich, Bournemouth have gone 2 to 4 months unbeaten in Premier League.
Okay.
The job Andoni Areola has done there, unless you don't want to give him credit. And now look at the sequence of play leading up to Junior Krupi's goal. And look at the goal. Look at the goal that Junior Krupi at the Mao. It is solid play from goalkeeper in the post and all of that. Rich, and again. Andoni Areola as a manager has lost important players on the team in him, but it still built that squad. The players of Manchester City, 90%, 80% of them knew and they know. Say, Pep Guardiola ever be free club and Pep was going to go. So the story of Pep leaving the club was not an issue. It was not new. And yet Pep free club ni ma ye can and run a Joes and nature na jono. and then Amanako. That is not the case, at all. For me, congratulations to Arsenal. Chelsea, Tottenham Hotspur 2-1, which is good for them. Now the focus is going to be at the end of the season when Xabi Alonso comes in. Matiti players be at Chelsea for some day. When we are done celebrating Arsenal,
of course,
we'll delve into detail. And Rich, and boys, someone mucha code Nibino. It was a good night for them. I think about 32 votes. I couldn't post it now. All of the social media handles are in there. The codes are ready. Now, you could be in the pick it.
Okay, Kofi, and so that's